Hi everyone, welcome to Curry Kitchen again. And today I am going to show you guys how to make the soybean masala or soybean curry, you can say. It's very simple but it's very delicious. And I'm going to show you the ingredients, what ingredients we needed. Just be with me. So for soybean masala, of course we need soybean soaked overnight, at least 10 to 12 hours. I do it, so they comes out very good. And I strain them already, and I need some chopped garlic, chopped ginger, some whole chilies. That's very optional, and if you don't like spicy hot, then you don't have to put it in there. You can make this dish mild as well. And also I have some chopped onion, chopped tomatoes, chopped cilantro, and I have some coriander powder and cumin powder mix, and I have the chili powder, turmeric powder, I have some garam masala and some curry powder, and I have some whole spices like a cumin seed, roasted this one dry chilies, I have the cloves, some bay leaves and peppercorn. I got some oil here and some water we needed. So let's begin with. We're gonna start with the oil here, around like a half cup. It's a big quantity, so we need like a little bit more oil in here. This is olive oil. You can put any oil you like it, like a grapeseed oil or corn oil. I like it. Or if you like my video, please guys subscribe my channel. There are more interesting videos. I'm gonna put it in my channel very soon. So here I have, as you see, like a spices, whole spices.
What spicy?
And the oil is hot right now, so I'm gonna put it in here.
Can we watch it out the window?
And then we're gonna add some chopped garlic here, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, and the whole chilies, green chilies. You can see like it has a nice aroma coming from the spices. So make sure that your oil is hot, but this process you need to do real quick, otherwise your spices gonna get burned. So make sure they get like a nice golden color but not burned. That's very important. Now I am going to add the chopped onion. These are red onion, but you can put any onion you like it. I prefer red onion on this. We're gonna do this process in a high flame as possible. As you guys see, like our onions are golden brown, so we add some tomatoes here. We are sauteing nicely. Cook for a while, just a few minutes. Sometimes at this process, like onions get burned very fast, so you can add a little bit salt, just a little bit salt, so that the onions they release water and they don't get burned. It's windy today, a little bit outside. I'm sitting outside in the house. In the neighborhood we have some chicken, so they are giving some music to you guys. So now We're gonna add the soya bean here. We're gonna saute them like a few minutes. Sear them nicely. Look like the chickens are hungry. They're making so much noise. For the vegetarian people, this is the very best dish because it's full of the protein. It's soybean, they taste like meat. And if I have the soybean, I don't eat the meat. I mean, that's good. And this dish I can eat all day long. Keep it stirring nicely. Now, we're gonna add a little bit of salt again. And then I'm going to add all the spices here. Oh, it smells so good, guys. Trust me. This smells so good. So here is the one trick I'm gonna tell you guys. I have a cilantro, dhania, we call in India dhania. It's chopped. The leaves are this side and the roots are this side. So I'm going to add these roots are now. They give you nice flavor. And these cilantros, the leaf we're gonna add after it cook and we're gonna mix it up. So good already. Now we're gonna add some water. I add just a little bit of water, not too much. And what we're gonna do is just like a slow the flame, and we're gonna cover this with the lid, and in few minutes we're gonna add just like a 1 cup water again and stir a little bit. And then we're gonna keep doing it, so make sure it's not too dry, and we're gonna cook this for 15 to 20 minutes. Alright guys, keep watching and we'll see how delicious it's gonna come out and beautiful. Alright, it's become already 20 to 30 minutes, so we're gonna see how it look like. So 20 minutes was not enough, so I cook extra 10 minutes over there. So let me open it. This looks so good here. Alright, look at this edge. Looks beautiful, beautiful. So I didn't make too much gravy. It's gonna be like a semi-dry. You can eat with the rice or bread, or just add it is. Just add it is. You can just add it is. It's very good snacks too, and also it's good, goes very well with any drinks, beer or wine. So what I'm going to do here, add some cilantro, chopped cilantro here, mix it up. Alright. And let's see here guys, we're gonna put here the beans. It looks so good here. We're gonna garnish with some cilantro, and it's ready right here. And
Yesterday what you
uh,
plane is going to go.
and
Guys, be quiet.
and let's try here. Let me try here how it look like. It is so delicious. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe and watch this video.
You guys. So I'm gonna taste these.
Be quiet.
Oh, these are so tasty here. Amazing.
The ice cream.
And thank you for watching, guys. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel Curry Kitchens. See you next time with some new cooking things. Thank you.